The PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer is a powerful cleaning machine providing up to 3,800 pounds per square inch of water pressure and 2.4 gallons per minute of water flow. The product is equipped with a snow foam lance that directly sprays foam, allowing for the use of various chemicals like bleach and vinegar without impacting the pump's longevity. This pressure washer comes with 4 different pressure tips, each designed for specific cleaning tasks, making it versatile and suitable for a wide range of surfaces. The PowRyte pressure washer is designed for effortless assembling, being ready to use in just a few minutes. An impressive feature of this washer is its ability to suck water from a container when there is no water tap available, making it extremely convenient for different locations. The product is manufactured by PowRyte, a known brand in the industry, and comes with a 2-year warranty, providing assurance of its durability and quality.